Oh no! Look at the ocean! A giant wave is coming!
Megan, we need to run to the hill, now!
Dad, I do not want to leave you.
Go with Mum. I promise I will come back for you.
Oh no! The water has already reached the second floor.
Everyone, get onto the roof, now!
Look at the blue sea. It looks so calm.
Dad, help me make a huge sandcastle.
Of course. Let us build the biggest one on the beach.
Megan, these seashells are so pretty.
I want to bring one home to remember this day.
Our castle also needs a road and a little bridge.
Great idea. You are such a clever builder.
The village looks beautiful from here.
I wish we could spend the whole week here.
Suddenly, the ground starts shaking a little.
Dad, why is the sand moving?
Everyone, stay close to me.
That felt like a small earthquake.
Oh no! Look! The sea is pulling far away.
Everyone, get off the beach right now.
Why is the water going away?
That can be a sign of a tsunami.
Do not stop to pick up anything.
I left my backpack beside the sandcastle.
Forget it, sweetheart. Your safety is more important.
Okay, Mum. I am staying with you.
A loud warning siren echoes across the village.
Tsunami warning. Please move to higher ground immediately. You heard the warning. We have to hurry.
Many people are running away from the beach.
Stay calm and follow the evacuation signs.
Help! Is anyone outside my house?
Dad, someone is asking for help.
The voice is coming from that little house.
Mike, the warning says we must leave now.
Please help me. I cannot walk on my own.
Eva, take Megan to the hill.
No, Mike. We should not separate.
The road will be full of people soon. You and Megan must reach higher ground first.
Dad, please do not stay here.
I will help Mr. Sven and then catch up with you.
What if the wave comes before you leave?
I will be careful. Trust me.
I want to stay and help Dad.
Tom, this is very dangerous.
Oh no! Look at the ocean! A giant wave is coming.
Megan, we need to run to the hill now.
Dad, I do not want to leave you.
Tom, stay next to me and follow everything I say.
I promise, Dad. I will not leave your side.
Mr. Sven, we are coming in.
Thank goodness you heard me. My legs are too weak to reach the hill.
We will get you somewhere safe.
Dad, the road outside is already covered with water.
Help me support Mr. Sven carefully.
Mom, I cannot see Dad anymore.
Oh no, look, water is rushing into the village.
Dad and Tom are still down there.
The water is rising too fast outside.
Dad, water is coming under the front door.
We need to go upstairs right now. Mr. Sven, hold my arm tightly.
I will try, but my legs are very weak.
I will carry his medicine bag.
Good. Walk in front of us on the stairs.
Oh no, our shoes are already soaking wet. Dad, look! The stairs are slowly disappearing under the water.
Everyone, get into the upstairs room, now!
Megan, we finally reached the evacuation area.
But Dad and Tom are still trapped in the village.
Please stay here on high ground.
My husband and son stayed behind to rescue an elderly man.
Which house are they in?
A small brown house near the seaside road.
It has a white roof with a large tree beside it.
That information is very useful. We will send help right away. The streets are already covered with water.
Can a rescue boat get to them?
The current is much too strong now.
There has to be another solution.
Please do not stop trying to save them.
Wait! We can send a helicopter instead.
Then please hurry before the house is completely flooded.
Dad, the water is almost touching the windows.
Stay away from the glass.
I am so sorry you are trapped because of me.
We decided to help you. Please do not blame yourself.
Do you think Mom knows where we are?
Your mum will bring help. She always finds a way.
Dad, I am really frightened.
I know, Tom. I am scared too. But we have to stay calm.
Look, there is a small hatch leading to the roof.
That is probably the safest place.
Oh no, the water has already reached the second floor.
Everyone, get onto the roof, now!
Rescue team, we are flying over the flooded village. Look for a white house with a blue roof.
Mom, I can hear a helicopter.
They are looking for Dad and Tom.
Tom, wave the bright towel as high as you can.
I hope they notice us.
The heavy rain makes it difficult to see.
Keep waving. Do not stop.
I can see 3 people standing on the roof. Confirm 1 adult man, 1 young boy, and 1 elderly man. Confirmed. Preparing the rescue basket.
Dad, they found us.
Mr. Sven should go first.
Please take the child first.
Mr. Sven, you will go first.
Thank you. I am ready.
Fasten the safety straps tightly.
Mr. Sven is going up.
The elderly man is safely inside the helicopter. Lower the rescue basket again.
Tom, now it is your turn.
Dad, I do not want to leave you behind.
I will be right after you.
Promise you will come too.
Mom, look! The helicopter is flying back.
I can see Tom inside.
But where is Dad?
Oh no!
1 more person needs to be rescued. Lower the cable again. Take my hand, Mike. I got you. Pull us up.
Dad! Dad made it into the helicopter.
Thank goodness. Everyone is finally safe.
Mom, I missed you so much.
Tom, I was so worried about you.
Mike, I was afraid we would lose you.
I am sorry. I could not leave Mr. Sven behind.
After the floodwaters went down, the whole family helped rebuild the village.
Your bravery saved my life.
Today, we honor Eva's family for their courage, kindness, and selfless actions.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!
See you in the next stories. Bye.